Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to make their homes toxin-free with essential oils. And today we're going to be talking about how to do that with Fir Needle Essential Oil. Fir Needle Essential Oil comes from the Siberian fir tree. It smells just like a Christmas tree and it's got a lot of great uses. So let's dive in. Fir Needle provides congestion relief. You can diffuse it or use it in a steam. So get a hot bowl of water that's steaming, put 1 drop in it, that's all you'll need. Lean over it and breathe it in and it'll help break up the congestion and help you with your cold symptoms. Another benefit of Fir Needle Essential Oil is that it is very energizing. That makes it really good if you have a cold, because one symptom of a cold is feeling groggy. So along with congestion relief, you can also get the energy you need to give your body what it needs to get better during a cold situation. Have you ever noticed the way a Christmas tree can make the whole room smell like pine? The oils from these trees are airborne antiseptic. As they evaporate or enter the air, they will attack microbes and cover them with their own aroma to make a room smell just like Christmas. Another benefit of Fir Needle Essential Oil is that it's very helpful for pain relief, especially with arthritic-like pain and joint pain. It's anti-inflammatory and it's really soothing to joint pain. This oil is kids safe. It's fun to put it in the diffuser while they're working on homework to help keep their mental focus going or energize them. Or if they have a cold, this is a good one to reach for rather than oils like peppermint or eucalyptus, because those aren't kid safe. This oil has a very pine-like aroma. You can try it in your diffuser with oils like Frankincense, bay, Juniper Berry, and you can check out our blog post for more ideas of how to use Fir Needle. All essential oils are made up of naturally occurring chemicals created by the plant. The main occurring chemical in Fir Needle Essential Oil is boryl acetate, and that is known for being an antioxidant, useful in pain relief, and is an anti-inflammatory. This oil is generally non-irritating on the skin. Just always dilute it before you do that, before you apply it to your skin. It's safe for kids aged 2 and up. You'll want to use caution using this oil around cats or dogs, as pine is toxic to cats or dogs. So be cautious before using it in the diffuser, and definitely don't put any on their fur. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this one. Go and make your home toxin-free.